Iran received a fleet of Russian-origin Yak-130 twin-seat advanced jet trainer aircraft last week, marking Tehran's efforts to modernize its old air force. The jet would help immensely in training Iranian pilots on its frontline fighter aircraft like the Russian MiG-29, US-made F-4 Phantom II, and F-14 Tomcat, which Tehran operated before the 1979 Islamic Revolution under the Shah dynasty. A Tasnim news agency report of the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, IRIAF, receiving the jets showed the aircraft in a hangar with the IRIAF's high-visibility paint scheme. The Yak-130 is now the most modern jet trainer in the IRIAF's inventory. Iran already operates a homegrown jet trainer called Yasin. Other videos on X, formerly Twitter, showed the jet with the same paint job taxiing at Isfahan Air Base. The arrival of the Yak-130s is consistent with previous U.S. claims about growing Russo-Iranian defense ties, which included bartering military equipment. Russia bought Iranian Shahed 136 Kamikaze drones and developed a heavily modified local variant, the Geranium-2, or Geran-2. In exchange, according to Washington, Russia would supply advanced jets, which included a squadron of Su-35S multirole fighters. In February, White House National Security Council spokesman John Kirby told reporters that the exchange also had Yak-130s, attack helicopters, and radars. Iran is mainly made up of third- and fourth-generation 1970s Cold War vintage jets, hungry for authentic spares and a technical nightmare to maintain as it has been under American sanctions since the 1970s Islamic Revolution. The other aircraft in its fleet comprises U.S. jets like the F-5 Tiger II, the Su-24 Fencer, and the Su-22 Fitter. The U.S. origin jets have been maintained with indigenous upgrades like glide weapons, anti-ship missiles, and reportedly some improved electronic components and avionics that, although not as sophisticated as Western or Russian systems, have managed to keep the aircraft from becoming completely obsolete. It is estimated that the Persian nation flies them very sparingly to prevent wear and tear due to constant use and training sorties. The situation also affects the quality of pilots' training and airworthiness of the IRIAF fleet. The lack of trainer jets leads to pilots being sometimes directly trained on advanced fighters. The Yak-130, therefore, serves two purposes. The advanced jet trainer will better train Iranian pilots to fly some of the frontline aircraft, or at least the Russian jets in its inventory. The Yak-130, like the BAE Systems, Hawk, that the Indian Air Force, IAF, operates, also possesses significant secondary light attack capability, serving as a massive force multiplier while trying to hit enemy ground formations. The arrival of Yak-130 also indicates Iran and Russia might finally conclude the Su-35S deal, roughly 24 of which Iran was supposed to receive. Recent reports, however, said the contract ran into rough weather. The Yak-130 acquisition indicates the Su-35 deal will eventually move forward at some point in the future. The trainer aircraft can also help train for close air support missions and carry several tons of ammunition, such as different weapons placed on the wings and fuselage. The aircraft can have a 23mm gun pod, Tasnim news agency said. It can also carry various weapons such as 250kg and 500kg bombs, 80mm, 122mm, and 330mm rockets, CAB 500 guided bombs, KH-29 guided missiles, and 2 R-73 short-range air-to-air missiles, AEM. The jet can also carry 2 electronic warfare pods on both ends of the wings and external fuel tanks to increase the operational range, according to a report in the Jerusalem Post. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 3,000 kilograms, a top speed of 1,060 kilometers an hour, a range of 1,600 kilometers, and can fly at 41,020 feet. It has an endurance of 3 hours, with 2 drop tanks, and has a removable in-flight refueling probe. Iranian military planners have envisaged a similar role for its domestically developed jet, the Yasin. The Tasnim news agency report said the Iranian Defense Ministry launched an assembly line manufacturing the Yasin, which is capable of carrying out combat missions, as well. The Iranian jet is also designed to perform other military operations, such as close air support, CAS. The report added, it has a homegrown ejection seat, avionics, engine, and landing gear. Domestic, knowledge-based companies have manufactured the airborne weather radar installed on its radome. Iran's military doctrine, however, largely centers around its large and diverse range of short and medium-range ballistic missiles, surveillance strike and long-range kamikaze drones, hundreds of small and medium-sized fast-attack naval craft, FAC, armed with anti-ship missiles and a small fleet of submarines and frigates, to tackle an adversary far away from Iran's borders and shores.